What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from your Pocket Option affiliate account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your affiliate account, you would need to go from your home page to the payments section right here. And once you're on the payment section, you would need to go to the Wallets tab, this one right here. Now, as you can see, I already have a connected withdrawal method, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's go ahead and click Add a new method. And here you can select whichever method works for you out of these offered methods right here. So I selected USDC coin on Ethereum blockchain because it has the lowest withdrawal rate for my country, but here you have some different options depending what works for you. So you can just select, let's say, Bitcoin, and then just copy paste your Bitcoin wallet address right here and click on save. Now, once you added a withdrawal method, you can go back to withdrawal requests tab right here. And here under the payment method section, just go ahead and select the payment method that you just connected. Just like this. And on the amount, you can input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So for my withdrawal method, the minimum is $50. So I will just input, let's say, $306. And now you can just click on send request right here. And there we go. As you can see here, a new request is being sent and is now processing. So from my past experience, this should be approved in about 24 hours. So essentially, that's guys how you can withdraw funds from your Pocket Option affiliate account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.